Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money. You guys do not want to miss out. Do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, everybody. We're going to bring some more awareness to the super creators. It took off and the reveal was already done. This thing's, got some amazing traction. I told you guys this was one of my money bag alerts. I hope that you guys snatch some of these up. And we're going to get to the OpenSea, but I just want to make sure that you guys come over here. Make sure that you guys are following, that you got the bell notification lit up if this is something that you're interested in, okay? So let's go to OpenSea and just see what we got going on right now, because the volume traded it's shooting up pretty fast. Yesterday I seen it at 750. We're well over 1,000 right now, and the price continues to rise. So we're gonna check out the floor price right now and see how fast they're gonna jump up to the next price. These are gonna be 3 ETH very soon. The volume traded is just kind of crazy, and we're gonna we're gonna look at the art right now, but I just want to see what's going on with the volume traded. Some of these are going for 3.5 ETH already. I told you guys this was definitely one of those hot plays right here. This one's not going nowhere. The community is very big. And now we're going to go over this art, which I think is perfect. Sometimes people just, they kind of don't get it. But on this one, they got the art. The art is right on the money. This is what you want to see for the art. And we're going to look at, excuse me, we're going to look at the items right here. And this is what we got right here. So this art right here, I'm going to tell you guys, it's going to be a hit. We got some going for 5.2 ETH. Okay, we got some, let's see, we got this one for 20 ETH, no face on it. This is pretty epic, and I'm telling you, the way that you know when one of these NFTs are a hit, does it make you smile when you come and look at it? You know, does it make you possibly even giggle? You know, does it do something to you when you come and look at them? And sometimes, you know, a lot of people think that it's those 3D arts and stuff, but to be honest with you, this is the type of art that does it for me. I really like this one, this background behind it. This is really nice actually right here. This is nice. So this one's 4.6 ETH. So I want you guys to come look at this art. And some of these have special utilities. I've heard that, you know, you could breed some of them and have babies every 30 days. And we're going to dig more into that. But I just want to bring a quick video to show you guys the art, because it wasn't revealed at first. And now we get to see this art, okay? So, and I'm loving this art. Like I said, does it make you feel something? Does it make you giggle? Does it make you smile? Does it have something? Does it pull? This is pretty cool too. 7.77 ETH. And they're selling. The thing is that they're selling. We look at the volume traded. And yeah, we go to the volume traded. Let's go back really quick. And we can see that they're moving. Yesterday, this was at 750. It's already at over 1,100. Look at the volume highs just shooting up. And I'm going to tell everybody right now, I know this is not financial advice. This is not going to slow down. Don't think that we're going to see a little pullback anytime soon to get in. I think that this floor price is where it's at right now. I could see this going to 3 ETH like today. Honestly, they're moving really fast. Yeah, today. This could honestly happen today. So if you guys are very interested in this one, I suggest that you guys snatch one up now while you guys still can, and pay attention to the volume being traded. Some are even selling for 5 ETH already. So that's, which I don't blame them. This one was epic. Let's see what we got for the properties. So 5% of them have green, 4% have the pink glove, the blue hoodie. Okay, so this one, and that's one thing too. This one actually doesn't have the the lowest percentage of you know, some of these properties that it can have. But if you like it, that's what you should go after. Number one, like all these fours on here, this is a good, I like this. I like all these fours on here. I'm big on numbers, and I can dig this already. All these fours all over, they make me feel lucky for some reason. But let's see what's good. What else we got? Let's see if we can spot one out that has like this earth, the one with the earth in the background. Let's check out the properties. So this one has 2%, okay? Oneness. This one's the oneness with the earth in the background. So this one, only a very small percentage of them have this. So you want to look into that. It's going for $9 grand, okay? That's what it's going for. And they're going to be selling. We got some offers already. They're too low. I can tell everybody that right now because of the rarity on it. People know what's up already. Hold on to those. Diamond hand, this one's pretty epic too. Let's see what's going on with this one. This purple background is pretty nice. And a lot of this is just preference, what you like about it, you know? That's So like I said, yeah, that purple background, you see how that stands out to me? Automatically, that's going to be like a special trait. So these are going to be some that are going to be sought after as well. So these are little things that you guys want to pay attention to when you're looking at these. They all hit really hard, to be honest with you. They look really great. So congratulations on the launch, congratulations on the reveal, and congratulations on this floor price. Keep going really, really hard, and I'll keep dropping some videos and bringing some more awareness to this group, because you guys are doing something right. So keep on. This one's cool too. I like this. All right, like I said, if does it make you laugh, does it do something? There goes that pink, that 3%, something with a low trait. You know, does it draw your attention in a certain way? Does it make you laugh? We got that pyramid that I liked it. That's under 1%. Okay, so these are some of these things that you want to pay attention to of the rarities if you're interested in some of these super creators. Okay, continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.